Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be doing some gaming actually, which I will be doing every other Thursday. And today I thought we could start out with a new game actually. We could start and try the Car X Drift Racing online game. That's actually a pretty, I think the graphics in this game are kind of poor, but nevertheless I really like the physics, and I do really like the drifting, and I really love the modifications you can do in this game. I mean, you can color the wheels, and you can like paint the wheels, and you can paint the lip of the wheels, but not the center of the wheels, and you can paint the roll cage as you see right here in the skyline that I have built. And yeah, I mean, this is a pretty fun game. I've played it a lot on my Logitech G920, which I have right here. So yeah, it's kind of fun. I've not played it like a lot, but I've played, as you see, I played a fair amount. I'm at level 18 right now, and I have some money left over now, so that's pretty cool. So let's simply just try and build a car from the ground up. And the car we will be using, yeah, I thought we could buy a BMW today, and that is maybe this one, the BMW E46. As you see, completely stock. So I thought it would be cool to actually upgrade this car, and there's a lot you can do in this game. So let's actually start to modify it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video, and now let's build ourselves a drift car and have some fun with it. Okay, we are ready. Let's go. I have not chosen the grippiest tires, but they are quite grippy nevertheless. So this will be exciting to see. This will be the first time ever trying the E46 in this game. So I'm excited to see if this is any good. And I'm really excited to hear the sound as well, because this is an S54 and now with a turbo. So I think it will be sounding pretty cool. Oh yeah, that's a cool sound. Oh yeah, and we have so much steering angle as well in the front here, and the front feels very direct, so like every movement I do, you see it does what I told it to do. Oh, a little backwards entry there, cool. And that rail lever is so high. There is one thing, oh, another backwards. There is one thing I am missing though in this game, and that is a good handbrake, because the handbrake right now is on the steering wheel, and that's not very functional for me because I'm steering so much. It's really hard to like hit the e-brake while drifting. Oh, let's clutch it out a little bit. Ha! It's so cool that I can like paint all of the parts in the car. Ah, I just wanted to try to get that backwards entry point in before the finish, but I didn't do it. Okay, 34,000. I think that's pretty good. I'm happy with that. The goal was to get gold. You needed 12,000, so yeah, that's pretty good. I'm happy with that. So what I like to do in this game is I don't actually play that much online, or I just play single player and I just buy a new car and then just go through all the tracks. And yeah, this car felt actually really good, to be honest. Usually I'm not this good, so I will say it's the car. But let's try another track for fun. I really like Springstone. This is my favorite track of all in this game. It has a lot of really good, you can see on the right there, it has a lot of good corners right here. And you can also get some good speeds. And I do really like to challenge myself and try to go and flick it into that backwards entry. So yeah, no, this is cool. We got almost 800 horsepower. When we tuned it, we're running like 1.2 bar of boost. And yeah, we're running a sequential gearbox as well. But I mean, I have the regular shifter head anyways. No, it's cool. Okay, let's race. Really cool to have the dashboard of an E46. I mean, I have owned the E46 M3 earlier, so this takes me a little bit back. This takes me back. Now I should have had e-brake. But what I did instead was just go even wider, almost backwards, and that made me save it. Can we do fifth gear maybe? Now we're into fourth. Yeah, we can. Woo, close one. Wow, this car is so smooth. Damn. I mean, I'm just cruising around the track here. This car is like made for drifting. And of course, I must also tell you that the tuning setup that I did on this car is very similar to what I do on most cars in this game, specifically BMW. So, I mean, that helps a lot because now I do know how the steering wheel reacts. Oh, damn it! How the steering wheel reacts and stuff. So, I mean, it is very similar to other cars that I've been driving a lot. Fifth gear. Can we get... Oh no! Ah, man. I didn't lose the points though, I just lost the multiplier, so it's fine. Damn, that was a good track. That was a good round. I almost got 50,000 points. I did get 50,000 points. Damn, this car is ripping. It's cool. And I don't know why, but I really like to play in the cockpit like I did now, have that point of angle. I do not like to play with looking at the car from the outside. I don't know, but I did not like that at all. I can challenge myself a little bit, so let's try this track, and I will look from the outside because that's a little bit more exciting. And but this is for real. I've never, or almost never do that. Maybe I've played in total 3 laps or something. I don't know. I just really like to have it like inboard inside the car. Damn! Look at this car with the twin tips in the back and stuff. Damn! This is not the same at all. Woo! Now it was not that good. Really cool also with that trunk or boot lid with the holes in it. So the radiator that's in the back or intercooler, I don't know what that is, can breathe. Okay, this was not as smooth as before. Woo! Look at the angle. You see right there? Damn, that's so much. I mean, it's unrealistic much. I don't think you can ever get a car with this much angle. I mean, look at this. It's a lot. But you can see that I have red springs in there on the coilover. Ah, so good. E-brake. I can sometimes e-brake going into corners, but not while drifting because there's so much movement going on. So I do really need an e-brake for this setup for it to be any good. Oh no! Oh no! Okay, that was not intentional, but it worked. Ah man, this car was super good. I want to continue making these videos, so if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if you did like it. And please also let me know down in the comment section what kind of gaming videos you want to see in the future, because I don't know what kind of content you want if you do want gaming. I know a lot of people do not like gaming, but well, I can't make videos for everyone all the time, so I want to make this on the side as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.